Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a focused file, open Word and pick a template that matches your purpose. Templates save formatting time. Once done, set page size, margins, and orientation to control layout from the start. Make sure to save immediately with a clear name like project name V1. Docx and enable auto recover so you don't lose progress. This combination lets you start writing rather than fixing formatting later, and it establishes consistent defaults for styles and headers you'll apply next. Now focus on structure. Use heading 1 and heading 2 styles to build a navigable hierarchy, because Word's navigation pane and table of contents depend on them. Once headings are set, modify the normal style for body text to control font, size, and paragraph spacing globally rather than editing each paragraph. Insert section breaks when you need different headers, footers, or page numbering. Also consider using numbered lists and multi-level numbering for ordered sections to keep consistency. Finish by polishing and locking the document. Run spelling and grammar, add comments, and use track changes during reviews so edits are transparent. Once reviewers settle, update the table of contents and any cross-references. Press F9 to refresh fields. Then export to PDF to preserve layout for sharing and verify embedded fonts and images display correctly. If something breaks, mismatched styles or wrong page breaks, inspect section breaks and style overrides first. Reverting to a saved version can recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.